Hello, it's Big Cheds, and this is part of the daily education series on my YouTube channel at Cheds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Cheds, and of course on Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For the last video, we talked about the head and shoulders pattern. We're going to talk about today the inverse or the inverted head and shoulders pattern. Now, this can come after a move down. After a move down, an initial low is set. Then you set a lower low, come back, and set a higher low. Now, there's certainly some nuance to this, as there is with the regular head and shoulders. So again, you can have multiple shoulders forming the left shoulder here. You can have multiple shoulders forming the right shoulder. But what's important are a few things. You have the move down. Again, you ideally want to see the most volume on the left shoulder, a little bit less in the head, and even less on the right shoulder. Now, you can have a descending neck baseline, a flat neck baseline, or a rising neck baseline. Ideally, you do have that horizontal construction for the neck baseline, making it easier to trigger to know when the pattern completes. As with any pattern, you want to know where it completes and where it invalidates. Again, in this case, it would be a right shoulder invalidation. If your thesis is a inverted head and shoulders reversal, what you want to see is the price break the neck baseline. If it fails to hold on the right shoulder, that shows you that your pattern has failed, and you really need to pay attention to that. Now, a couple other things which are interesting. You have your move down, you have your left shoulder, your head. Now, this right shoulder could be even a little bit higher. You could have an even higher right shoulder than your left shoulder. That shows you evidence of more aggressive buyers, more aggressive bulls, increased demand. You could have a lower low on the right shoulder, which shows that it's not as strong a construction. So there's a lot of nuance with this, but if you're going to play it, what's most important is that you either wait for the price to complete on ideally a horizontal neck baseline, or you pay attention to when that right shoulder invalidates. And that in and of itself is a wonderful signal, because any pattern that fails provides you potentially an entry in the other direction. This is the inverted head and shoulders, and this is part of the daily education series on my YouTube channel at Cheds Trading. Check me out on Twitter at Big Cheds, and of course, Bitcoin Live. Folks, thank you so much. Hope everybody is doing well. I will talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.